Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they provide feedback and a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.